Hey guys, this is 8th March, and this is this is summary for today. I again just building on yesterday. I didn't open any sets today, and I don't know, somehow it just feels bad to just admit that, but it's fine. And what else? I just figured out yesterday like something which I was doing, and which it's like I like sometimes I just like I just I just become like needy. It's because of the uncertainty that it gives, and it's with my friends and with everyone. And so I just decided that I'm gonna. It just it's just hard, but it's just like I just wanna live by myself, like whatever I like. I'm not gonna ping to others. I'm not gonna wait for others, and it also means that I need to live alone. And because there's some people who won't agree, and it's fine. And just like okay, they're just good with them. They're not good for me. And I just kind of feel like um, this impulse just to go back with these people, and this is not healthy, and I also don't like it. But it's maybe due to from again it's the it's just some of the habits that I have built in my childhood. It's like maybe coming from my mom or something, that I was just very too much attached to her, and it's very hard for me to leave her. And it's just like coming up in real world also. But anyway, I think I just realized this that's important, and it's gonna take some time to just implement that to myself. And it feels good, and for that also I have to. It also means that I have to do my hobbies and all of my stuff, like going out and everything, alone, and I have to get used to it, and it's fine. It feels definitely feels like bad. It definitely feels like something to avoid. And I think we humans just have this habit of when we are like for example when we feel pain, we just want to avoid it. Just like when we are touching a hot surface, we just we just want to like get our hands away from it. And it's the same with the psychological pain also. We just like want to just avoid it as soon as possible, like as much as possible. And this is the main reason that we usually avoid this stuff. And like in my experience, this stuff is like it's like a sword which is like going in your heart, and it just like goes a little bit, and then you just feel it and it just stops there. So it just feels so much hurt. It's not like just you do it once and that's it. It's not like that. Just like stays there. You have to just get used to it. That's it. That's the best way I describe. And if when you just stop, you just like get stabilized over there. Like you just get used to pain of that. Like for example, for me, I was not used to just I was not used to just going out alone, and it felt like so much painful to me. But I think with time, I just got used to it, and now it feels like going out alone is like feels like nothing, just like any other thing. I just like go out alone every day. And it's same with enjoying myself. I just felt yesterday um, too much just joy with just being with myself. And I think it's building. It's gonna take some time, so I have to be patient. And I also avoid this feeling bad by masturbation also. This is also I have realized yesterday that I was feeling so much bad about myself that I'm not doing this stuff, and it was like so immense pain, and I just did like to that. That's just like not topic, but I also realized that we kind of have this reaction to this stuff. But anyway, I'm going to end now. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and see you guys tomorrow. And also, like if you see, like there are people around me, like when I just record, so I just got used to it, and it's got little easier for me to just have this, like to just record this. But anyway, I'm going to end now. Bye guys.